In this video, we are going to learn how can we increase the performance of our Windows computer or laptop. If you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 10, the process is same for all the Windows. So just keep watching the video till the end and you will learn how to do these steps. At first, you have to click Window button and search Run option. Entering on Run option, you have to search msconfig. msconfig, then click OK. Then you have to go to Services, disable all services, hide all Microsoft services. Then you have to go to Startup. Again, disable all. You have to go to Tools and click OK. Now exit without restart. Then you have to go again on the Run option and search services.msc and click OK. You will see a new pop-up window will open. Maximize the window and search Background Intelligence Transfer Services. Double click on it and disable it. Then click OK. Then scroll down the page and we have to search Microsoft.NET Framework. Double click on it and you have to disable it. Then click OK. Windows search is not an important feature, so you can also disable it. Double click on Windows search and disable it. If you are not a big fan of Windows Update, so you can disable Windows Update 2. Double click on it and disable it. Then close the window. And then again going to the Run option, you have to search TEMP and click OK. And delete all the files. Press yes. Close the window and then again going to the Run option, you have to search %TEMP %TEMP and click OK. We have to delete all the files. Click yes. Close the window. Then again going to the Run option, we have to search prefetch and click OK. Then click continue. Here you can see many files are saved here. You have to delete all the files because these files are truly unimportant for our computer. So delete all the files. Deleting this file too. Then close the window. Now you have to open computer. Then click on Open Control Panel. Here in Control Panel, you have to search Power. Search Power. Here you can see Power options has come. Go to the Power options. You have to click Change Plan Setting in High Performance. Then you have to click Change Advanced Power Settings. Now come on to the Processor Power Management. We have to go to Maximum Processor State. You have to check if the maximum processor state is set to 100. Otherwise you have to set it to 100. Then close the window. Now again you have to open computer, open Control Panel, then you have to go to System and Security, then go to System, and then you have to go to Advanced System Setting, In advanced system setting, you will see that a new pop-up window will come. Now you have to click settings. You can set it for adjust for best appearance, you can set it adjust for best performance, or you can set it to custom. In custom, you have to check some items, check use visual styles, and check smooth edges, and check show thumbnails. Then click OK. You can see my computer's interface has changed little bit. Then you have to go to settings and startup and recovery. Then you have to change the time to display list of operating systems from 30 seconds to 10 seconds. And then click OK. Then close the window and then restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you have to go to recycle bin and right click on it, click empty recycle bin and press yes. Here you can see recycle bin is empty. Then refresh your computer. Now all steps are solemnized successfully. If you do all these steps, you can see your device performance has speed up from earlier condition.